Welcome back, viewers. Today we are looking once more at Churchill Capital Corp because it is Friday and I want to take another look at how this one has been doing over the past 5 days. And on top of that, you guys have been enjoying our videos on Cciv, so thank you for all the support. And yes, we are back again producing another one. Now this one has been produced at the earlier time, coming towards about 2 p.m. and I'm sure you guys will understand the fact that I'm producing this one a bit earlier because I want to produce more videos tonight. So again, I will have to start filming a bit earlier so I can get them all out hopefully in time tonight. So yes, that is what we are doing today. So if this price does move up or down a little bit towards the end of the day, please do understand that this was filmed a few hours before the end. But we're going to jump into this one and have a look at how CCIV has been moving for the majority of the week, and obviously giving some of my thoughts on this so far. If you may enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, but do remember this is not financial advice. Also press that subscribe button as we are trying to push up to 12,400 subscribers, which is very impressive. Let's hope that we can get there by tomorrow. We are extremely close right now. Follow us on Twitter. It is at N2SFinance. You can see on your screen, and you can also join us on Patreon. You can see that will be down in the description, and it would be appreciated. So we're going to jump in now and have a look at CCIV. Starting off with this one actually on the more simple charts, as we always do. You guys will know the score by now. Past 5 days, we are definitely seeing some positivity into the stock. Monday into Tuesday, not much happened. Tuesday into Wednesday, we saw a big push up, and that was continued through Wednesday into Thursday, and even for the majority of Thursday until about 12 p.m, where we saw a bit of a dip. Now this is to be expected when we look out to the 1 month chart, because that gives us a bit of context as to what we have been seeing now with CCIV. Perhaps a lot of people are using this as a very quick swing trade, and again they could have bought this dip here and sold up there. I do presume that a lot of people would have bought in at this level here, where we have been for quite a while, in the $19 to $20 range. A lot of people will have bought there. Some will have definitely sold on the way up, and then when we dip down again, I'm sure some people would have bought back. And again, I think we saw a little dip on Thursday because people were probably taking profits, and that is just my thoughts and opinions, because when we look at this rally up, a bit of a drop was to be expected because we have had such a strong week when we do look at the whole thing combined. And again, today it was a mixed bag. We are still seeing a day in the green. The percentage that we are up today is by 2.74%, so it really isn't too bad. That's about 70 cents, and it is really some more movement in the right direction. Now this is something which I spoke about yesterday in our video, and I actually spoke about it earlier in the week as well. This does potentially indicate, and it definitely looks more true by the day, a possible trend change for CCIV stock, because when we look at CCIV over the past 6 months, really, you guys will know the score by now. We had that period where SPAC stocks were the hot thing, then this one got pushed up well above where I believed it should be. It was up at about $56, perhaps even higher than that. But obviously the SPAC season kind of died off, and then the price came down to about $20, $19, and from there it was dead for the longest time. But fortunately it has come back a little bit. The same is true also for a lot of other SPACs. So is a SPAC season perhaps coming back? Who knows at the minute, but again, I do think that a trend reversal absolutely could be coming for CCIV. Well, we're going to start off by looking at the more technical charts now and see what we are seeing over here for the RSI figure for the past 5 days so far. And again, this could change a little bit from the time that you are watching to the time that the market closes, obviously because more trading will happen. But right now the RSI for the 5-day is sat at 45, and that is kind of low for this stock. Again, 50 would be neutral, so we're definitely nowhere near the oversold range yet, but again, we are pretty neutral, but slightly towards the oversold. And we have seen a MACD figure there, you can see, is potentially indicating to a trend reversal, possibly, in my opinion. If we zoom in a bit further, we can see the moving average down here, which is sat at around $25, $25.51, I believe that is. So we're not doing too bad when we look at the moving average and how the stock is moving at the moment. And again, we've seen a nice strong candle right now, so that is fantastic to see. But when we move in a bit closer, we can see a generalized view of what we have seen today. So today so far, again, after that big green candle, we are seeing a RSI figure of 58. This will probably change. When we look into see that MACD, we are seeing a potential reversal in trend over there as well, and that is a fantastic way to start off the month. To get a bit of the wider picture, we can see the moving average for the past 30 days. This is sat at 21,490. We can see a RSI of about 61, and that is less likely to move. And again, we can see down here that the MACD is possibly about to come green. I think that definitely could happen. So if we can close up today green, which I do believe that we can, I think that will be a really good week for this stock. Again, it will show a lot of strength in my opinion. I think this definitely could indicate to a reversal of trend. And there are lots of reasons for this and why this could be. It could be due to the fact that the markets aren't doing too badly recently. We've seen the S&P up today. We have seen the Dow up as well. Nasdaq is in the red apparently, and Russell 2000 is up as well. But obviously, we are seeing a different thing with CCIV in the sense that this stock does have a catalyst coming up. We have an electric car company, which, bear in mind guys, only a few months ago people were willing to pay like $50-$60 for this, and again now the price is $25, so I do see it as a bit of a discount. Again, I think the price is not overinflated in my opinion, with this merger hopefully about to go through very soon, with CCIV's potential, with Lucid Motors' potential. I think this company could be worth a lot of money long term. Again, my two ways for playing this one I would say is either a swing trade or potentially, if you're looking for that, a long-term investment. Long-term because of the fundamentals of the company and how they want to expand the business. And by the way guys, we'll be looking at the fundamentals again at the weekend, for those of you who missed our fundamental look last week I believe it was. So yeah, the fundamentals are strong, and I think that could be a way to play this stock. But I think another way to play this stock could potentially be for a swing trade, as in buy it now and hold until the merger and get some hype off that if it does happen, or obviously buy now and hold until the car does get produced and until we see the revenue figures for how the car does sell and all that kind of stuff. Again, revenue figures are looking promising, the amount of sales are looking promising, and if they can keep true to their schedule, this could be a really interesting vehicle and this could be a really interesting company. So I'm very excited to see what does happen with this stock going forwards. I definitely think that we could be seeing a push to 30 hopefully in the next month or two. Again, as this one does get more and more catalysts, I think that definitely could attract more investors. But tell me your thoughts down below guys, because I am not a financial advisor as you know, and I want to hear what you have to say. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.